Welcome to the Tech Titan Reviews. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to H one of the most powerful compact drones ever created, bringing cutting-edge advancements that redefine what's possible in an ultralight, sub-250G drone. With next-generation camera enhancements, AI-powered tracking, extended battery life, LiDAR technology, and 5G connectivity, this drone is gearing up to be a game-changer for both professionals and hobbyists. In this deep dive, we'll explore everything you need to know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, including its anticipated features, design changes, camera system, battery upgrades, connectivity improvements, and expected release date. DJI has long dominated the consumer drone market, setting high standards with each new release. The Mini 4 Pro brought impressive improvements, but the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to be an even more significant leap forward. With a strong emphasis on autonomous flying, intelligent shooting modes, and enhanced durability, this drone could redefine how compact drones are used in various fields, from vlogging and cinematography to mapping and inspections. Key selling points of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Revolutionary camera system, a larger sensor for cinematic footage. LiDAR technology, precision obstacle detection, and enhanced low-light performance. Extended flight time, up to 40 minutes on a single charge. Advanced AI tracking, smarter subject recognition for smooth footage. 5G connectivity, faster transmission and ultra-low latency. Redesigned airframe, improved aerodynamics and better cooling. Next-gen camera, the ultimate compact drone for photographers. One of the biggest rumored upgrades in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its new and improved camera system. If leaks are accurate, DJI is set to introduce a 1-inch sensor, making it a game-changer for drone photography. Camera specs and features. 1-inch CMOS sensor captures more light, leading to sharper and more detailed images. Higher megapixel count, possibly a 48MP or 64MP sensor for ultra-high-resolution shots. 4K HDR video recording, true-to-life colors with high dynamic range. Advanced night mode, improved low-light performance for nighttime photography. Enhanced zoom capabilities, digital and optical zoom for better subject focus. AI-powered image processing, smarter noise reduction, and real-time scene optimization. These camera enhancements put the Mini 5 Pro on par with higher-end models like the Air 3 and Mavic series, making it an ideal choice for professional aerial photography in a compact form. LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance and intelligent navigation. A significant leap in drone safety and automation is expected with the introduction of LiDAR technology in the Mini 5 Pro. How LiDAR changes everything. Pinpoint obstacle detection, detects and avoids objects with extreme precision. Safer low-light flying, works better than traditional sensors in dark environments. AI-assisted flight paths, smarter route planning for smoother navigation. Improved stability, stronger anti-collision system for beginner-friendly piloting. LiDAR has previously been limited to premium drones, but if DJI successfully integrates it into the Mini 5 Pro, it will set a new benchmark for compact drones. Extended flight time, up to 40 minutes in the air. One of the most anticipated improvements is battery life. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a higher capacity battery, pushing flight times to 40 minutes per charge, a significant boost over its predecessor. Why this matters? More creative flexibility. Longer flights mean more shots without battery anxiety. Fewer battery swaps. Reduces downtime for content creators. Better power management. Advanced cooling and energy-efficient motors improve battery longevity. If true, this will put the Mini 5 Pro on par with DJI's higher-end models, making it a serious contender for long aerial shoots. Advanced AI tracking and smart features. Next-gen tracking and flight modes. ActiveTrack 5.0 Plus, smarter and smoother subject tracking. Cinematic mode, enhanced for buttery smooth aerial shots. Follow Me mode, more accurate motion prediction for action shots. 360-degree object recognition, avoids obstacles from all directions. These AI-driven features make the Mini 5 Pro a powerhouse for both professional videographers and beginners looking to capture cinematic quality footage effortlessly. 5G connectivity, Faster, more stable drone control. Why 5G matters. Ultra-low latency, near-instant controls for precision flying. Higher quality live feeds, crisp, lag-free real-time video transmission. Stronger signal stability. Works in crowded areas with minimal interference. With 5G support, drone pilots can expect seamless long-range communication, making live streaming and remote flying more reliable than ever. Redesigned airframe and aerodynamics. New design upgrades. Optimized airflow, better stability in windy conditions. Improved ventilation, prevents overheating in long flights. Lighter yet stronger build, maintains sub-250 weight while improving durability. This ensures that the Mini 5 Pro remains lightweight, portable, and efficient, making it an excellent choice for travelers and on-the-go creators. DJI Mini 5 Pro expected release date and price. When will it launch? Rumors suggest the DJI Mini 5 Pro could launch in summer 2025, possibly in June or July. Expected price range. Standard version, around $749 to $899. Combo package, extra batteries and accessories, around $999 to $1,199. With all the powerful upgrades packed into this model, the price increase is justified, especially for those who demand premium drone capabilities in a compact form. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the most advanced sub-250G drone ever created. With an enhanced camera, longer battery life, LiDAR technology, AI-powered tracking, and 5G connectivity, it offers unparalleled features in a compact, travel-friendly form. Are you excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Which feature are you most looking forward to? Stay tuned for more updates, leaks, and reviews on the latest in drone technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive content.